All right, now we're at the most important part of setting up your shipping rate, the calculation section. This is where we tell ShipEZ exactly how to figure out the cost for your customer's shipping. The first thing we pick is the calculation criteria. There are three options: cart, product, and address. Cart and product are kind of similar. The difference is that cart looks at everything in the checkout, while product lets you narrow it down to just certain items. If you choose product, you can even filter by product tags, SKUs, or barcodes. Now, address works a little differently. This one lets you set your shipping rates based on postal codes. And if you want, you can also combine postal codes with weight or total amount to get even more specific. Next, we've got the minimum shipping rate and maximum shipping rate. Think of these as your safety nets. If the calculation comes out lower than your minimum, we'll just use the minimum. If it comes out higher than your maximum, we'll cap it at that max amount. After that, it's time to choose the rate input method. There are two ways to do it. Use range values or base value plus increment. Let's start with range values. With range values, you set up ranges for your criteria, and each range has its own shipping price. For example, let's say our criteria is cart total. We could do from $0 to $100, shipping is $10. From $100 to $200, shipping is $8. From $200 and up, which we show with a little tilde for unlimited, shipping is free. So if a customer's cart total is $150, it falls between $100 and $200, which means shipping will be $8. The second method is base value plus increment. This one starts with a base shipping cost, then adds extra charges step by step. There are 4 fields here. Base amount is your starting cost. Skip increment means don't add increments until this amount is passed. Step rate is how much to add for each increment. And increment unit is the size of each increment, like every 2 items or every $50 in the cart total. Here's an example. Let's say the base amount is $100, skip increment is 2, step rate is $10, and increment unit is 2. If we use cart quantity as our criteria and the customer has 10 items, here's the math. $100 plus 10 minus 2 divided by 2 times $10. That gives us $140. And finally, we have cost type. This one's simple. If you choose percentage, the shipping cost will be calculated as a percentage of the total item value. And that's it for the calculation section. Once you set this up, ShipEZ will know exactly how to calculate your shipping rates, no matter the order size or location.